Oh my god, I've been waiting for this for a couple days. My aunt bought it for me, bless her heart. You guys, I'm so excited because I just got my Ninja hot and cold brew system. I'm gonna go unbox it. Okay, woo! So the Ninja hot and cold brew system, it does coffee and it does tea. It says it has like 6 brew sizes, from like a cup to a big cup to a travel mug to an extra large travel mug, half a carafe and a whole carafe, 5 brew styles, classic rich over ice, specialty cold brew. Look how pretty. Precision tea steeping. Ooh, you can use loose leaf tea or bag tea, lattes, cappuccinos, chai, matcha, and more. Fold away frother. Hello. No pods are required. Look at this beautiful device. Smart basket recognition, 2-step basket, or 2 separate baskets, one for coffee, one for tea. Fold away frother, swivel brew basket, Ninja smart scoop, Ninja glass carafe. I like the glass one. They had like a thermal one, but I went with the glass because it has like the warming plate, where the thermal one didn't. Let's see, removable water, dope. 6 brew sizes, dope. Brew tracker, know how far along your drink is, and the dope. Precision coffee and tea settings, dope. And a single cup brewing system. Also included coffee permanent filter, tea permanent filter, recipe guide. Cool, need that. Programmable delay. I want some coffee in the morning. Drip on my drip stop, and then clean cycle. Cool. So on this side it says Ninja cold brew. Sorry, it's like glossy. Let me get up here. Smooth, naturally sweet, less acidic. Brews cold brew in 10 minutes, and traditionally it would brew from 12 to 24 hours. So I'm kind of interested to try that. Since they say cold brew coffee is less acidic, and it's more smooth and natural, I'm really curious to try it. I've had like cold brew coffee before, but I've never really noticed it being less acidic. So I'm gonna try that. SCA Gold Cup Standard Brewing. Look at all these pretty drinks. Temperatures for each thing. I was wondering about that. That's dope. Variable blooming, even saturation, moving it around. Okay, that's the same. More drinks. Classic, rich, over ice, cold brew, specialty. Oh, there's more. 2 sides of the scoop. Okay. The Ninja Smart Scoop takes the guesswork out of measuring coffee. Measurements are on front, tea measurements are on back. Okay, dope. So we'll flip over, ground coffee, this tea, going over here. Chill out with iced drinks. I got cold brew, or I could do it just over ice. Okay, fill, scoop, brew. Here we go. My smart guys need that. What is this? Oh, this is the frother piece. I'm gonna add you there. This thing, do it on the ground. Oh, let me get this out. I'm gonna need 2 hands, but first, no, I'm gonna need 2 hands. So this is the Ninja hot and cold brewed system unboxed. I already had a problem with it, but that's my error. So I was trying to open this thing, and I thought like if I took it out, but so I tried to put it in like this way, and it won't click into place. So you have to put it like straight toward you, and then it opens and closes no problem. Because I was like, I'm supposed to take this out, right? And then I could put the tea one in it. I just have to make sure this is always like right in front of you. So yeah, here's the tea. It also has like this little thing. We'll figure out how that works in a minute. Put the coffee back in there, close it up. What else? The glass carafe. It's cute, it's pretty. I don't mind it. It's got like a nice, like, it's still heavy, even though, you know, like I was saying, like, this is pretty lightweight, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. I'm actually gonna put it on my kitchen counter, and I wonder if it will fit underneath because the cabinets are kind of low. So we'll see. Here's my scoop. Specialty. Need 3 to 4 of these for half, 4 to 6. And then the small one is 2 to 3, 3 to 5. On the back are all the tea measurements. Put it upside down. So that helps. Tea. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Dope. Oh, the water filter. So water goes in here. What's that? Oh, okay. Water goes in there. There's the max line. I think this comes out. Wow. Cool. Fill it up. Put it back in. And then let's try this frother thing. I know it's supposed to go on the side here, so what does that say? To avoid contact with steam and hot surfaces, do not reach across the brewer to froth. You ain't gotta worry about that. So you put it in like this and then turn it the opposite direction of the arrow, locks it in place. If you wanna unlock it, wait, let's see, does it go in like this? Oh, it does. Why would I? Oh, to clean it. Duh. I was like, why would I ever want to unlock it then? So then just turn it this way. It comes right off. Back on in. Oh, wait. Look for this. Put it in facing you. And turn it. Wow. Hello. Okay. So the instructions kind of like tells me everything I got. Well, I know you're supposed to use filtered water. So definitely try and use filtered water for coffee. Boom, got that, we're good to go. So you'll need to prime your system by running 2 full carafe brew cycles. Using only fresh water with your brewer plugged in and powered on. Fill the reservoir with fresh water up to, but not exceeding, the max fill line. Place the empty carafe under the brew basket, then select full carafe and classic brew. We can do that. I am about to start priming or do a prime cycle with the new Ninja Hot and Cold Brew system. It wants me to like fill the water up to the max line. I have it about half. And I'm gonna go ahead and place it here. It's funny how this thing just fits in between the counter and the cabinet. So I'm really happy about that. I'm actually not going to complain. I just have to like maneuver it to put water in it. Do you want to hit start? Oh, power. How about that? Let's go up. So it's selected on full carafe already, but just to get it right. Ooh, that's kind of seamless and very fluid. I like it. Place the empty carafe under the brew basket, then select full carafe and classic brew. Okay, it's full carafe, doo-doot, classic brew, doo-doot, and then start. Okay. I have it on 4:05 a.m. Darn. Need to change that to p.m. But I like military time anyway. Oh. It's making noise now. It says to add water, and I think that's because I hit a full carafe, but I only put enough water in for half a carafe. So that's what I'll do. I'll just go ahead and add some more water. I just primed it one time. So now I'm gonna run the cycle one more time again. So I'm gonna add more filtered water, add it up to the max line this time because I don't wanna have to add water in the middle of it. And then let it go through one more time. I filled the water up to the max line. I have the water in here. There's nothing in the carafe, it's empty. I'm gonna go ahead. This is still here. Let's look inside. Okay, it's working, so can't hurt. So let's go ahead, have it on full carafe, have it on classic. I'm a brew. And wait for all the water to go through this time. I hope that that little bit of water that I don't have at the max line, I wonder if that's gonna be a problem. If you can see like right here, max line water, max line water. Hope it's not an issue. We're gonna see how sensitive this baby is. And the second prime cycle is done. I ran the prime cycle 2 times. And I think I'm ready to start brewing coffee in it. Hey guys, so I just unboxed my Ninja hot and cold brew system. Ninja, just I feel like that's like a long, full word to say. Series of words, sequence of words. I don't know, like they have Ninja Foodie. That's fun to say. Ninja hot and cold brew system is kind of like a mouthful. I don't know. I wish they would have changed the name a little bit. So I just unboxed the Ninja hot and cold brewed system and I'm pretty happy with it right now. Like it's kind of lightweight. I mentioned that it doesn't feel cheap. Like it still feels smooth, kind of like it's got some, you know, some weight to it. So it's not, let's put it this way, it's not my $8 coffee machine that I got at Walmart that I've been using. I just feel like it's just gonna change my life. I feel like I'm gonna use the same coffee, but I'm hoping that it's gonna like taste differently. I feel like it's going to be hotter and warmer. And the Ninja hot and cold brew system should definitely know what it's doing. I've seen other reviews. They say that it knows what it's doing. So I'm really excited. It's like, what time is it? It's 4:30 here in LA. And I've already had my coffee today. I was hoping, you know, she would come earlier, but she didn't. I'm not gonna test out any coffee right now. I'll just wait till the morning. I'll probably do like regular coffee, but I'll probably try iced coffee. I'll try doing like a single cup. I'll try using my travel mug. I'm so excited. And no more having to put it in one cup and then trying to put it in my travel mug and hoping and praying that it doesn't spill. I'm ready to go. Like I have primed, cycled through 2 times for my Ninja. I can't wait. Tomorrow I'm gonna try out a couple different recipes. I've already screenshot some recipes that I want to try from the Ninja hot and cold brew system recipe book. Some of them look really interesting. I also need to make sure I have all the ingredients. I have teas. I use tea bags. I might get fancy, go to Tijuana or something, get some like loose leaf tea. I don't know, I'm just really excited. But in the meantime, I'm really happy with it. It came in order, everything looks good, everything's working properly. So far, so good. I'll let you know how it goes tomorrow. Bye guys.